Welcome to AlertOps video tutorial series. In this video we will be seeing the AlertOps inbound email integrations, how you can use them, and how they can enable you to build out your ideal incident response process. Let's get started. AlertOps comes with a number of pre-built integrations for various monitoring, help desk, and ITSM systems. Besides our pre-built integrations, the AlertOps plug-and-play configurations help you to customize and set a more granular level of control over the alerts that come in. The AlertOps integrations can automatically open and close incidents and tickets based on the status reported by your system. This automates much of the administrative work in incident management, so your teams can focus on keeping your systems always up and running. To create an inbound email integration, select the desired integration from the available templates. You can create custom email integrations owing to AlertOps plug-and-play configurations. Setting up an inbound email integration is very simple. Give the integration a name, and specify the sequence if needed. Give a name to your mailbox. This mailbox needs to be configured at the source, for sending out outbound alert information to AlertOps. Select an escalation rule for the integration. Note that escalation rules determine the linear path through which the alert flows, house workflows, and invoke any outbound actions pertaining to the alert. Select the recipient users or recipient groups that you would want to be notified of the inbound alert. By default, creating an email integration and defining basic settings opens an alert for every email that is received. You can specify more granular level of control over the inbound information that you receive in the Advanced Settings tab. The various options available help you to customize your alerts and send only relevant information to each recipient. Through Advanced Settings you can define the following. 1. URL mapping. 2. Advanced mapping. 3. Alert correlation fields. 4. Alert delaying/grouping. 5. Filters to match incoming JSON and form fields. 6. Escalation rule overrides. 7. Dynamic recipient groups. Thank you for taking a look at the AlertOps inbound email integrations. For more videos, please check out our knowledge base or YouTube.